In today's video, I will show you how to export connections detailed drawings from Autodesk Structural Analysis to Autocad DWG or DXF format. So the first thing, I'm just doing this for beginners. We're just going to quickly design one connection. Going to quickly design one connection. So I'm going to select two members. Let me pick that one and that one. Because we are already in the connection layout, I will just need to click add new connection from the selected bars. So Autodesk Structural determines the suitable connections automatically from its library. So it's very quickly to do this. Just say yes. I will select lowered vertical bracket and pick that option. My plates, my thickness I think is okay. My bolts, number of bolts is 5. The distance is 2. I think that one is okay. You can just let's say equal spacing or change this one to let's say 4. Apply. Okay. You can see the connection view from this point. Then do the design. It's okay. To print or to convert this detailed drawing to DXF, need to go not to connection view but to scheme, and go to scheme and then go to file, then save as. I can either select DXF or DWG, so I'll save it as Apex Haunch. Save. I can save it to save as. I'll convert this time to DWG. So let's go. Let me save this one. File. Save as DWG. And then save. So the next thing is just to come here and open. This is Apex. This is not Apex Haunch. So we saved it as Apex Haunch. I'm going to open Apex Haunch. You can open DWG, this one. So this one is just the whole structure. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.